In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text notes in your 2D views. Text notes are a simple, reliable way to clarify your design right on the view where people will read it. They live in 2D views, so make sure you're working in the right place. Plans, sections, elevations, or drafting views are perfect for this. Start by opening the specific view where you want the note to appear. It's worth a quick pause here to confirm you're in the correct floor plan or section, because text is view specific and should match the context you're documenting. Next, go to the Annotate tab and choose Text. This activates the Text tool and reveals your options for single line or multi-line text. Think of single line text as a quick label or short call-out, while multi-line text is better for longer notes, general notes, or anything that needs clean wrapping. Before you place anything, select the text type from the type selector. This is where you choose the style that controls how your note looks, font, size, and any leader settings tied to that style. Picking the right type at the start keeps your drawings consistent and saves time. If your project has a standard text type, select it here so the note matches the rest of your documentation. Now place the text in the view. For a short single line note, click once where you want it to appear. If you're adding a longer note, click and drag to define a text box. The size of that box sets the wrap width, which helps keep your note readable and neatly aligned with your graphics. With the text box ready, type your annotation directly into the field. Keep the wording clear and concise, and make sure the tone matches your drawing set, informative but not cluttered. If you chose single line, the text will flow horizontally in one line. If you created a text box for multi-line notes, your text will wrap automatically as you type, staying within the width you defined. That's the complete workflow. Open the 2D view you want to annotate, activate the text tool from Annotate, choose the appropriate text type in the type selector, place the note with a click, or by dragging a text box, and then type your annotation. Following these steps will help you place consistent, legible notes exactly where you need them, keeping your drawings clear and professional.